Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Goan crab curry, step by step. First, ensure your crabs are meticulously cleaned. Remove the gills and any internal organs. Next, assemble your aromatic spices, including dried red chilies, coriander seeds, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Don't forget to have fresh coconut, tamarind pulp, and a finely chopped medium onion ready. These initial preparations are crucial for building the authentic flavors of this incredible dish. Now let's create the heart of our curry, the Goan masala paste. Gently roast your dried red chilies and coriander seeds in a dry pan until they release their wonderful aroma. Be careful not to burn them. Then, combine these roasted spices with fresh grated coconut and a small amount of tamarind pulp. Grind everything into a very smooth, fine paste, adding a little water if needed. Incorporate a small piece of ginger and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic for extra depth. With our masala ready, it's time to cook. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or pan. Sauté your finely chopped onions until they become soft and translucent, releasing their sweetness. Next, add the fragrant Goan masala paste you just prepared. Cook this paste for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly until the oil begins to separate. Finally, add your cleaned crabs and a cup of water. Then simmer until the crabs are perfectly cooked and tender. Almost there. Taste your delicious Goan crab curry and adjust the seasoning with salt as needed. Some prefer a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the flavors, so feel free to add that if it suits your palate. Garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves just before serving. This curry pairs wonderfully with steamed rice or Goan bread. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your authentic Goan crab curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.